Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, a problem will be solved on calculation of input tax credit. Kindly watch the video till the end, like, share and subscribe the channel. If you have any comments about the video, please put your comments in the comment box. Now, let's move to the whiteboard. Problem on computation of ITC available. The question is, Surya, let me stretch this one here, Limited engaged in manufacture of machinery. It has provided the following information regarding the items procured by it. So it is given the form of a table here. So let me insert a table. So serial number, then particulars, then GST paid in rupees. GST paid. So in case of serial 1, so here electrical transformers to be used in the manufacturing unit, rupees 4,20,000. Number 2, truck used for transportation of inputs in factory, rupees 3,42,000. This is 3,42,000. Number 3, raw materials purchased, that is given as rupees 3 lakhs. Next, number 4, confectionery items for consumption of employees working in the factory, rupees 27,000. The question is here, determine the amount of ITC available with Surya Limited for the month of June 2020 and give necessary explanation for treatment of various items. So now here from these details we are required to find out whether how much is the amount of the ITC available to Surya Limited here. So first let's have a discussion here. Electrical transformers to be used in the manufacturing unit. So these transformers, as they are used in the manufacturing process here, so the ITC is available here. Then the truck used for transportation of inputs in the factory, so on which also the ITC is available here. Then raw materials, of course, they are used in manufacturing, so ITC is available. Confectionery items for consumption of employees working in the factory, it is not eligible here. So now let's take let's go for finding the solution here. So here computation of ITC available to Surya Limited for June 2020. So let me insert the table here. Only 2 columns we require. Particulars. So amount of GST or GST in rupees, that's all. GST in, so let me insert the symbol of rupee here. So now let's go for electrical transformers used in manufacturing unit. So the amount is given as rupees of 4,20,000 here. So 4,20,000. So you can do here itself. Then truck used for transportation of inputs in factory. So rupees 3,42,000. Then next, raw materials purchased rupees 3 lakhs. Then total ITC available is rupees 4,20,000 plus 3,42,000 plus 3 lakhs, which comes to rupees 10,62,000. So these are all. This is a 5 marks question here. Then note we should write here. Note ITC is not available on confectionery items for consumption of employees working in factory. So the ITC is available for the remaining thing here. So just let me make them bold here. So this is how we need to answer to this question. So this is a 5 marks question, very easy one. So only thing we should ascertain whether the ITC is available for a particular consumption. Thank you. This is a problem on computation of ITC available. The question runs like this. Determine, let me stretch this one here, the amount of input tax credit available to POSCO Limited in respect of the following items procured by them in the month of December 2020. So let me insert the table here. Serial number, inward supplies, GST paid. So let's start the number 1. Input used for the manufacture of final products, rupees 83,000. Food and beverages purchased from sweet caterers for being used in dealers meat 54,000, goods used for providing services during warranty period 17,000. Number 4, goods used for setting up telecommunication towers being immovable property rupees 1,20,000. Number 5, inputs stolen from factory rupees 18,200. So now from these details, now we are required to find out the ITC available. So computation of ITC available to POSCO Limited for the month of December 2020. So let me insert the 2 columns here. Particulars, GST paid in rupees. So now let us discuss here. So inputs used for the manufacture of the final product. So as the inputs are used in the manufacture of the final product here, so ITC is available on them. Then food and beverages purchased from the sweet caterers for being used in the dealer's meat, the ITC is not available here as they are not put to use in the manufacturing. Then goods used for providing services during warranty period, so ITC is available. Goods used for setting up of telecommunication towers being the immovable property, so ITC is not available. Inputs stolen from the factory on which ITC is not available. So now let us go for finding here. Inputs used for the manufacture of final product rupees 83,000. Then goods used for providing services during warranty period rupees 17,000. So only 2 will be there here. So total ITC available will be rupees 1 lakh. So here notes, input tax credit is not available on the following. So here purchase of food and beverages to be used in dealer's meat. Then next, goods used for setting up of telecommunication towers being an immovable property. Then inputs stolen from factory. So on these ITC is not available here. So this is how we need to compute the ITC availability here. So just let me make this bold here. So we must know the eligibility to claim ITC. So then we can easily find out the amount of the ITC available. Thank you.